fair amount of the research we're doing for new rail relates to high-speed rail, high-speed passenger rail. And everybody knows what this is. The U.S., of course, lags badly behind Japan and Europe and a number of other countries who have advanced over the decades in the area of high-speed rail, and the U.S. has done very little in this area. We're trying to understand more deeply why that is the case, and also to understand what benefits may accrue to various regions of the country if high-speed rail is implemented. This country, the United States, is very large geographically, 3,000 miles coast to coast and 1,500 miles or so border to border, north and south. And the idea of high-speed rail as a national system, as it may exist in France or in Japan, just doesn't make any sense in that scale. But the idea of having regional systems, the Northeast Corridor, California, Florida, Texas, Chicago-based hub system in the Midwest, all of these make a fair amount of sense because we have cities that are, if you will, in the sweet spot of high-speed rail, which we generally define as something in the range of 400 to 600 miles, where high-speed rail has a tremendous advantage over other modes, particularly air in this generation of tight security and airports quite a distance from the center city, while high-speed rail can provide city center to city center service. So we're doing a lot of work looking at the Northeast Corridor, at California, and trying to understand how one might go about thinking through deployment and fully documenting and fully understanding the benefits that accrue. And the idea here is that high-speed rail can be very strongly a developer of regional economies, is something that's very close to our heart, intellectually speaking. So we've put in a fair amount of our attention on high-speed rail. There are other aspects of what we're doing for new rail. We're studying transport of crude by rail and trade-offs from a safety perspective of rail versus pipeline. But the lion's share of what we're doing is high-speed.